How to change video quality in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this Me icon. Simply tap on Me. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. Now, we're in this Settings interface. So, this is the place where you can customize and have different options. So, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Video Quality. Simply tap on Video Quality. Now here there are different formats of video quality that you can select. So here there are different options that you can select onto. So it's even according to your mobile compatibility and how much it can handle. So simply tap on one and you can simply go back and the settings have been changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.